Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a WRX pop, updated. Begin by checking your ignition timing and ECU maps, then back off to safe settings. Confirm your fuel trims and ensure the fuel cut strategy is adjustable. Inspect for exhaust leaks and choose a muffler that supports pulses. Small changes to load, rev limits, and ignition retard can create clean pops without harming components. Choosing the right hardware matters a lot for sound and safety. Pick a straight-through style muffler and avoid overly large downpipes that kill back pressure and spool. A small resonator or mid-pipe tweak can boost tone without loudness penalties. Keep catalytic converter needs in mind for emissions and heat. Balance between sound and performance so you get enjoyable pops without sacrificing drivability or turbo health. If you like this content, subscribe and hit like to support more practical tuning updates. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I think about money. It makes steering finances as simple as choosing the right parts. If you want the book, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Tuning is the most important piece for reliable popping. Apply brief ignition retard under closed throttle conditions and add controlled fuel for safe afterfire. Monitor knock channels and exhaust gas temperatures closely while refining the map. Use data logs to confirm AFR stays in a safe range and that spark plugs remain healthy. Incremental changes and conservative thresholds will keep your WRX popping reliably without expensive repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.